Hey everybody! Golden Stream here and this time nakikita Chocolate Hills hindi na makikita dahil sa sobrang kapal ng ulan. Gagawin namin is pupuntahan namin yun ngayon. Kasama ko sila, family, the gang is here guys. So pupunta kami Chocolate Hills ng ganitong oras, so around 5 PM at sobrang makapal yung ulap kaya walang makikitang hills pero pupuntahan pa rin namin yun. So, let's go. Guys, paakyat na kami ng Chocolate Hills. Tingin ko may bagyo ngayon, pero aakyatin namin Chocolate Hills, man. Yan na. This is our first time to visit the Chocolate Hills while having this kind of weather. Look, you can't see anything, guys. There's no hills, man. Oh no! There's no Chocolate Hills. Where are the mountains? Oh, there it is. Wow, it's so cool. You see that, guys? You can still see some of the mountains, but so foggy. Yeah, is it fog or clouds? Yeah, I think so. Can you see it? No. Yeah, you're able to take the video, love? Yeah, look, guys, this is the Chocolate Hills. It's raining. It's like, wow. It's very cold out here, guys. Guys, kahit ganitong oras, sobrang dami pa rin. Tingnan nyo, look. Ang dami, marami pa rin tao. Yung iba, paakyat pa sa taas. Oo, look. Grabe yung clouds. First time namin dito na sobrang kapal yung clouds, my man. Kuya.
What ticket do you have?
Moribot rami na nanggid nito, boss. Ingin siya. Salamat. Wow. Look, take the video now. It's like you're in Baguio. Look, look at that.
We're near top of the hills, Papa.
Yeah, we're top of the hills. Josephine, look.
It's so tall in here. And there's a hole.
This is the hot. That's the hills, guys. Look at that. Look at that.
Esa.
Grabe, sobrang, ano ba to? Parang sobrang kapal ng ulap, guys. So, wala kaming nakikita. Pero pala, dalawa, Tingnan sa video. Switch mo, yan. Love, can you walk? Ito na, Love.
It's so cold here.
Mama, why the hill so tall?
So cold!
Guys, nandito na kami sa taas ng Chocolate sa'yo, no? Sobrang kapal ng ulap. Wala ka nakikitang hills, ayun, no? At sobrang lamig, tingnan niyo siya. Grabe, ayun o, wala yung hill. Oh, ayun o, hills yan lahat guys. Ito yung pinakataas ni. Ayun. Alright, anyway, thank you guys for watching, and once again, this is Golden Stream. Thank you for watching guys, and subscribe! Bye-bye!